Yo,
what's up? Alright, so today it's raining, and starting from last night was a big raining until today.
I gonna drop. We need to walk by car today. At least we still have cars, so I can do it. Yeah.
And then we see that many floods around Denpasar, around our house actually. So yeah, we decided to go by car. Normally I go by myself by bike.
And then I go to having a coffee and editing video, but today is a little bit different. Okay, just arrived.
Bye, honey.
Bye, sayang. Happy working, yeah?
Yeah.
See you later, yeah?
Yeah, bye.
I will pick you up. See ya. After coffee, as you saw, I already edited video. Usually every day it's spending about 3 hours to edit video and upload video, sometimes less, sometimes more. And now it's almost 1 o'clock. It's time to have some wee lunch in Warung Catching Infinity on Sunset Road. This is a brand new place. I already make a vlog, however I will show you what I'm gonna have for lunch. Alright, I'm just after my breakfast. Well, actually lunch. I'm so sorry, I was as hungry more than I was expecting, and I actually finished my lunch before I make any proper video of this. Anyway, I have today two news. It's the bad news and the good news. The bad news is, as few days ago I sold my drone, and currently I have no drone at all. So I'm so sorry about that. The good news is, as I'm in the mall right now and I'm going to the shop and I'm gonna buy the brand new drone, which is DJI Mavic Mini 2, which is the newest model of DJI drone, just released 4 months ago, and they just have in Indonesia yesterday. So I'm gonna be one of the very first in Indonesia who gonna have a new drone. Yo, what's up?
Hello! Bali safety!
Bali safe!
Come on, Bali!
Good vibes like always here. Okay, let's check this out. Actually my drone was DJI Mavic Pro, but 2016. This is DJI Mavic Mini 2, which is end of 2020, newest model. And I'm coming to this to iBox because since Apple is reseller officially with Indonesia, they also have a DJI. Yes, hello, how you doing? Oh, I forgot mask on, safety first, yeah. So this is my drone. I mean, I didn't pay for it yet, but it's gonna be. And by the way, this is the official reseller of Apple. Like I said already, they have everything what you need, even the iPhone 12s this year. So very good. I will show you also how it looks the drone later when I make a payment. Thank you so much, guys. Yeah. See you next time. Bye. For the iPhone 12 maybe, yeah? Okay, I just got my new DJI Mavic Mini 2 drone. Actually, I downgrade and upgrade at the same time. I do some little bit downgrade due to Pro model into Mini. However, 4 years is already a lot of changes into technology, and this Mini drone is 4 times lighter, twice smaller, fly 3 times more and higher and longer distance, so supposed to be a better camera, so supposed to be much better than my old one, even it's a lower class of drone. Alright, my drone is here on the front passenger driver seat safely. It's still brand new, I didn't even unbox yet, so comment below if you would like to see special video about unboxing and review of the newest drone from DJI. Like I said, this is the small drone, but it's the newest, just 4 months after release date by DJI, so it's very newest technology. Comment below if you would like to see my first video of unboxing and review first flight. Or if you even don't care about that, just comment yes or no. If you not care, just comment no, so I will don't waste my and your time to do it. But if you're interested, that will be much appreciated. And now I will go to Kuta, because I'm in Kuta already. Actually, that shop is in Lipo Mall in Kuta. I will go to Sunset Road. I wanna show you one more very interesting place, what probably maybe you never heard about, and I think it's worth to have a try. Right, as you can see, I'm in Starbucks, but that's not only just the another Starbucks in Bali. This is the Starbucks Devata, which is second the biggest Starbucks in Asia, and first the biggest Starbucks in Southeast Asia, and one of the biggest Starbucks around the world actually. So it's quite impressive. It's actually built last year, I mean in 2019. Actually, I never been here. I used to be in Starbucks around Bali, but somehow I never come here, so decided today is the good day to be here. Check this out, it's quite impressive. I know some people can say, this is just the Starbucks. However, this one is really worth to show you guys around. Rainy. As you can see, this Starbucks have even swings like this one, chair swings. Like I said already, this is the biggest Starbucks in Southeast Asia, second biggest in Asia, and I think it's in top 10 around the world. Of course, this is the new Starbucks. If it's nice, it's very nice, definitely worth to try. I think that this is Reserve Starbucks. I think the Reserve in Jewel in Singapore Changi Airport is a little bit more spectacular. However, this one is very nice. I really enjoyed coffee like always. Comment below if you ever been in Starbucks. I know it's maybe some little bit strange question, but I know some people who never ever been in Starbucks yet. They don't know even what is it Starbucks. So comment below. Comment below if you ever been in this big Starbucks in Sunset Road in Bali. Definitely worth to try. Fully recommend it to everyone. From my observations, many people who coming here nowadays, they are people who coming to have a selfie. This is actually topic what we almost every day talk about. As every new place in Bali, they are about the selfies. Also very great place for people who working on the laptop. That's mostly 50-50 right now. Maybe 60% of people who are here on the laptops working, 40% coming to have a selfie. Some people just coming like me to make a vlog. No, I'm just kidding. I was only one YouTuber here, at least today. Some people obviously just coming here to have a coffee. Comment below also if you are a fan of Starbucks coffee. For me personally, long time ago, I used to love Starbucks and Starbucks coffee. Nowadays, I prefer smaller cafe shop in Bali. However, everything has changing always. Okay, it's rainy. It's after 4. Winnie's finished work soon. I will go to pick her up. Okay, also one small thing what I don't really like. I mean, it's a very small thing, but when you go to Starbucks and you have to pay for parking, is kinda typically, I don't know what should I say, but will be much better if the coffee will be just more expensive, 5k or 2k, and they will don't charge you for the parking. But that's only my opinion. Comment below what do you think paying for the parking in Starbucks. Hello honey, how are you?
Hi, I just finished working today, so let's go somewhere.
Are you tired after working full day?
Not really.
How was at work? Nice?
So like normal day.
Alright, so actually we arrived to the one restaurant in Renon who serve local Indonesian and Western food.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna have. Probably no pizza because now soon will be Mr. Pizza, the new name of the channel. So I have to choose something different today. Yeah.
Alright, so now we are in Renon. It's called the Old Champ. So this is another one of our favorite restaurant because the price is really affordable. As you see here, they have a big book of menu.
So as you can see, the menu is really big. You have Western.
Oh, very affordable price.
Usually each dish is something between 40 and 60k.
Or even 30, starting from 30k.
Yeah.
Yeah. They have Indonesian and also Western food.
Yeah, a lot. They have also
Lot.
steaks.
Steak, pizza. I don't know what
combos.
I don't know what Damian will order. So I order ice lychee tea.
This lychee looks so nice, honey.
Yeah, see.
So nice, yeah?
Oh my god, what a big portion of food. So I ordered spaghetti carbonara and Damian, oh honey, I'm so envy, I'm so jealous for your food. What do you have?
Oh, this is the chicken mushroom.
Oh, smacznego, selamat makan.
Smacznego. I'm so full after this portion of chicken mushroom with cheese.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Yeah, so I paid around 130k for a big portion of what is it? Pasta and also Damian's food.
Yeah, with drinks, so it's about $9.50 US. Let's say $10, but less than that, so it's not so bad.
Yeah, all right. I think that it's gonna be raining soon, and yeah, that's all our video today, our daily life. Like usual, thank you for watching us, and see you tomorrow.
See ya, take care, guys.
Bye.